YouTube channel.
Hey, Pacie.
Hi.
Today is Monday.
4th of July.
Yeah. And where are we going now?
We're going to see the fireworks.
Alrighty, you ready to go?
Yes.
Alrighty, friends. We'll see you in a little bit.
Whoop.
Where are we, Pacie? We're in the city.
I haven't been here in a while.
We're on East 39th Street. We're gonna watch the fireworks. 25 minutes. That's what.
25 minutes.
25 minutes, Daddy said that the performance is 25 minutes long. I don't know. We're following the guys. You excited, Pace?
Yeah.
Yeah. You don't remember watching this?
No, I don't.
Yeah.
No, I don't.
I know. You were still a baby, right?
Yeah. How? Was I 3 months old or something?
No, you were like, it was 5 years ago. You were about 3 years old. Secret access, Pace.
Oh, there's a wheelchair here.
I know. That's like from a movie or something, right?
Yeah.
Wow. Huh?
I don't like graffiti.
It's graffiti is art, street art. Pacie, this is where we were. You don't remember this?
This is a good. No, I don't. I do not remember.
And the fireworks were over our head. Come on.
There's no way I wasn't here.
Yes, you were. You were still in the stroller.
What does that even say?
Pepsi Cola. That's Long Island City. Even I knew that. Look at that.
Where there's like sun. No, I don't want you to go.
Woohoo!
Why are so many people at Long Island City?
Yeah. Look at this view. Say hi, Sunshine and Olivia. Say hi, Daddy.
Hi guys.
Woo!
Ticket to get into the show.
Let's see, Pacie. Our special secret fans. Tickets to get in to see the New York or the Macy's 4th of July fireworks, right, Pace?
Yay.
Yeah, I'm gonna see it.
Let me get the small boat.
Yay!
can't see that camera. Say again, babe.
Say this.